This side dish is as beautiful as it is delicious.
Perfectly cooked green beans tossed with a lemon butter sauce and toasted almonds.
Serve this and your guests will go nuts.
Oh, a gorgeous side dish for a special dinner.
It is so yummy and so special.
And simple.
And simple. It's got all of those things that you want in like a really fabulous side dish.
It's very French.
It is very French. So, okay, so let's get going. So we've got, that's a pound and a half of
fresh green beans.
String beans. You just trim, trim the ends. We like to leave them kind of, for this dish, leave them the full length. Yeah, you can cut them in half if you want to. But we got, I'm going to add a little, I've got some boiling water here. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of salt to that.
You said you could cut these in half if you wanted to.
Yeah, you could. Some people prefer that.
Little short green beans.
Yeah, and so now we want to salt kind of as we go. So I'm added about a tablespoon of salt. That's not going to make these green beans overly salty at all. Just going to give them a hint of salt, and then we'll add some salt later.
Great.
So now we're going to
I'm going to actually
kind of carefully do that because you don't want to splatter boiling water.
Yes.
So like I think we said this is a pound and a half. This makes a nice serving for dinner party of 6 to 8 people. You can also easily double it. Now we don't want to overcook these. I know a lot of folks like their green beans super tender, and I get that.
Mushy.
But these we want them to be just a kind of al dente, but not like break it too. So we're gonna
I'm sorry, they're gorgeous and they taste amazing.
They're delicious.
And I love to see the long and a little crisp. I like a little crisp to my green beans.
So we're gonna let these go, come back to a boil, which is gonna take about a minute, and then we'll let them cook for about 5 minutes, and then we want them to be, like he said, still a little crisp, but nice and tender. So we want them to finish cooking, so we'll add them to a bath water. Okay. Okay, so look at these beautiful beans. Beans and nothing but beans.
They are green as all get out.
Yeah.
That's what I love about blanching. Blanching, but you are blanched.
So we brought it back to a boil, which took a couple minutes, and then we let them simmer in the boiling water for 5 minutes, and then I used a spider, a slotted spoon to get those quickly out of the hot water into preferably an ice bath. Mm-hmm. And then now, Wes, I'm going to add, I've got a new skillet
I'm drying them.
He's going to dry them. I've got a tablespoon of olive oil.
Those are a good consistency.
They're nice. They're not.
They feel real good, these green beans.
That's good. We've got a tablespoon of unsalted butter and.
Right. Did we tell you there's butter in this dish?
Yeah.
Because it is French.
It's French. It's not a ton of butter, but it's right. It's a special occasion dish. You got to have butter. Okay, so you want a nice large skillet because we're going to bring this whole dish together in this skillet. So you want it to hold all of those green beans.
All of these green beans.
So now I've got, this is 3/4 a cup of sliced almonds. You could really use whatever your favorite nut is, but almonds is kind of important in almondine. So
hence the name.
Yeah, hence the name. But it's not a overly nutty flavor. It just really complements the lemon, the garlic,
and the butter,
and the green beans. So okay, you're drying those. I'm going to let these cook until they just get nice and toasty, and that only takes about 4, maybe 5 minutes. Oh, these smell so good. So you're going to let these go for about, like I said, 4 to 5 minutes. More than anything, you are going to smell that nutty, delicious, buttery flavor. And I am now just going to remove these.
I could just eat toasted almonds by themselves.
So good. You got to keep an eye on them. They start to brown pretty quickly. I'm going to just do the rest of this right here. And
don't scream. This is a pan that takes the metal.
It's scratch resistant. Okay, so now, beautiful. Now we're going to set those off to the side. We've got our green beans ready to go.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Everything is gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. And so all of this can be done in advance. You want to this last phase comes together very quickly.
Oh my gosh.
I know. So you want to, I would recommend doing this soon before service time.
And have your mise en place.
Have your mise en place, but all of that you can get done early. So now we've got some garlic. This is like 3 cloves of garlic that I've minced. Doesn't take long just to get this nice and aromatic.
So we have another green bean recipe called Southern green beans. And that's cooked. That's also used. They use butter for that too, don't they?
Well, yeah, yes, they do.
But there's a lot of bacon in it too, and
We
bacon
do.
fat, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're just going to add these green beans into the party, let them get coated with that butter and get that garlic scent. And this is, again, this is only going to take just a few minutes. We're not really cooking the green beans anymore at this point. We're just infusing flavor. So we're going to let this go for about 3 or 4 minutes.
Just to warm up those green beans.
And then we add a few more aromatics, and then we're almost there.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, like I said, this has been going about 3 to 4 minutes. We're gonna add some fresh lemon juice. Fresh is best. There you go. You're gonna want anywhere from 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons.
Are we gonna do the whole lemon?
Yeah.
The whole lemon.
Yeah, let's do the whole lemon. Like I said, that's about 1 to 2 tablespoons.
Oh, I love
Brightens that flavor up just incredibly.
And I'm gonna do about half of these. Or
Do 3/4 because you want to leave a little more for garnishing on top. That's when the flavor really comes together.
Ooh, those are still warm.
Bring out that lemon flavor. We've got the zest of that lemon that we just squeezed. And then we've got, now we're, like I said, you definitely don't, you want to season this. So that's a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. You want to taste, obviously, before you serve because sometimes these green beans, they're like all kinds of beans. They need some salt. They need a little salt. They want to be seasoned. So, okay, we're just going to let this heat through.
And then just sprinkle a little more in there.
Okay, and then it's time to plate. Yay! And look at that. Isn't it just so beautiful? It's so festive.
That is
just
gorgeous. That green color and those toasted almonds.
I love this any time of the year, but during the holidays, when we're filming this, it's really extra special. So we save some of these buttery almonds that I should just be dumping. But
dump them.
Okay.
Come on.
I know. Oh, they're so good.
It's the holidays.
Let's live it up. Okay, so now naturally this would be beautiful if you're sitting this next to like some sliced ham.
Oh, yes. Come on over.
Turkey or whatever you've got on your holiday plate. This is dinner. This is the perfect accompaniment. Maybe with some mashed potatoes.
Oh, I love that. Look at that, you guys.
I know. And I love it in its simplicity. The flavors really come together and complement each other, and it's not like crazy, a lot of craziness going on. So even gorgeous. Even your picky eaters will like it.
All right, let's dig in.
Let's go for it.
Yeah, the picky eaters who like nuts.
I know. Or even the non-nut eaters, unless you can't eat nuts. All right. Get a nut?
Yeah.
All right.
What is up with that?
I mean, oh my goodness gracious.
What is going?
Elevated flavor. It's
just green beans.
I know. But let me tell you.
That's ridiculous.
You'll never open up a can of green beans again. And you saw how easy this was to make. It really is.
That is so
dadgum good.
It is ridiculous. I almost swore. Don't do that. I won't. But it's 1,000,000% Loon approved.
Wow.
It's a green bean.
The simple green beans get 1,000,000%.
Oh, but that lemon and the butter
and the butter and the almonds, it all comes together. I tell you.
That's French.
I tell you, I know. The French know what they're doing.
They do.
All right, you guys. If you're watching this and it's the holiday season, we just keep telling you, enjoy, love each other. We hope you're having a gorgeous, gorgeous holiday. Whatever it is you celebrate, we celebrate you.
Yeah, make some green beans and
life is good.
Hug your neighbor.
And yourself. Love yourself too. All right, bye everybody.